Terrible keycap ideas. I can't sell these in my store. Keycaps with unnecessarily beautiful eyes. What in the world is this eye about? Actually, it freaks me out when I look at it. 4 out of 10. And here's a keycap with a ring. Is it meant for a marriage proposal? But I prefer wearing rings rather than having a ring-shaped keycap. It looks so pointless. Anyway, I'd rather have a real gold ring. 3 out of 10. Keycap with 2 fish, Nemo and Dory. They look so cute. But why can't they swim? I like movement and realism. I really can't stand these keycap ideas. 0 out of 10.